Okay, good morning to one and all. In the today's class, I am going to discuss about digital circuits. Digital circuits is an electronic circuits where the signal is in the form of digital. Digital in the sense it will be in the form of two discrete levels, either 0 or 1. Digital circuits are classified into majorly two types. One is combinational circuits, another one is sequential circuits. So in the case of combinational circuits, the output depends on only the present inputs. Is it clear? In the case of combinational circuits, the output depends on only the present input. In the case of sequential circuits, the output depends on present input as well as past output. Okay. So in order to store the past output, there should be an memory element. So in the case of sequential circuit, memory element is required. Means it has memory element. The example for the combinational circuits are off adder, full adder, decoder, encoder, multiplexer and demultiplexers. Sequential circuits, counters and shift registers. So logic gates are the building blocks of the digital circuits, right? So there are three basic logic gates are there: AND, NOT and OR are the three basic logic gates. So the NOT gate is called inverter. Symbolically we will represent a NOT gate like this. A is an input, the output is Y, nothing but a complement of A, that is A bar. If A is 0, then output is 0 bar, nothing but 1. If A is 1, then output is 1 bar, it will become 0. Okay, it is an inverter. If we come to AND gate, the output is 1 only when all the inputs are 1. Otherwise the output is 0. So here you might be observe the symbolic representation of two input AND gate. A and B are the two inputs and Y is an output. Y is equal to A into B. So 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. If we come to OR gate, if both the inputs are 0, then the output is 0. Otherwise, the output is 1. The symbolic representation of OR gate is like this. Nothing but Y is equal to A plus B. OR means A plus B. So 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus here 1 plus 1 means 1. Next you have derived gates. XOR, XNOR and NAND NOR gates are called derived gates. XOR gate we call it as exclusive OR gates. The truth table for the exclusive OR gate is like this. Here when both the inputs are equal, then the output is 0. Otherwise the output is 1. for the exclusive OR gate. The symbolic representation of exclusive OR gate is like this. Y is equal to A XOR with B. If you come to XNOR gate, if both the inputs are same, then the output is 1. This is the output is 1. Otherwise the output is 0. The symbolic representation of XNOR gate is like this. Here one thing keep it in your mind, the difference between XOR and XNOR is we have to put one bubble at the arrow head, so it will become XNOR. XNOR is equal to Y is equal to A circle dot B. Okay. Then you have NAND gate. Is the truth table for the NAND gate. If both the inputs are 1, the output is 0. Otherwise the output is 1. For AND, if you put bubble, then it will become NAND. For NAND gate, expression is A dot B. This is NAND. Therefore bar will be appeared at the above of the expression. Therefore Y is equal to A dot B bar. NOR gate. Similar to a NAND gate, for the OR gate you have to put one bubble, then it will become NOR gate. Here if both the inputs are 0, then the output is 1, otherwise the output is 0. Symbolic representation of NOR gate shown here. So Y is equal to A plus B bar. If you put bar, then it will become NOR gate. If you remove bar, it will be A plus B, that is OR gate. Okay. Next, they will give the expressions. You have to draw the logic diagrams. Okay. So Y is equal to AB into C plus D bar. A into B means AND gate you have to use AB. C plus D means OR gate. Then you have multiply here, so you have to use again AND gate multiplication. Then you have complement. For complement you have to use one NOT gate. Therefore the output is Y is equal to AB into C plus D bar. Okay. So in the question they will give expression, you have to realize using the basic gates. If you come to this diagram, in this diagram you might may observe y is equal to W plus P R bar whole bar. So therefore W P R bar means NOT gate, P R bar W. So sum you have to get means and OR gate you have to use, followed by you have the complement, so you have to use NOT gate. So here they are given one more expression, A bar BC plus A B bar C plus A bar B bar C bar. For A bar, B C, so A bar B C you will get here. Then B bar C bar you should get, B bar C bar in the sense for B you have to take one NOT gate B bar, for C you have to take one NOT gate C bar. So B bar C bar. So you have to add it. So if you add, then you will get Y is equal to A bar BC plus B bar C bar. Okay. So here before writing the logic diagram you have to simplify a little bit if it possible. Here in the both the terms B bar C bar are common, so you left it with A plus A bar. According to Boolean theorem, A plus A bar is 1. So 1 into this component. So your final expression is Y is equal to A bar BC plus B bar C bar. Next, they give the logic circuit. It should be replaced by a single NAND gate. So first write down the expression for the logic diagram. So these expressions you have to write. So A dot B NAND gate bar, A NOT gate A bar, B A bar plus B bar. You have OR gate, therefore this plus this, you get this expression. So this expression you have to simplify it. A dot B whole bar means apply De Morgan's theorem, A bar plus B bar. A plus B whole bar means A double bar dot B bar. A bar you take it as A, B as B. A plus B whole bar means A bar dot B bar. Already you have A bar bar dot B bar. A double bar means A, B bar. So in this expression you take B bar as a common factor, you left out with 1 plus A bar plus 1 plus A into B bar. Therefore 1 plus A means 1, A bar plus B bar, nothing but A dot B whole bar. A dot B whole bar means NAND gate. A dot B whole bar means NAND gate. And A dot B, you have NOT gate, therefore A dot B whole bar. So this is another kind. They will give the circuit diagram. You have to write the truth table. How many inputs are there? 3 inputs. 2 to the power of 3 means you will get 8 combinations. 0, 4 to 1 format. 0, 1 means in the place of 1 you have to write 1. 2 means in the place of 2 you have to write 1. Rest of 0. 3 means in the place of 2 and 1 you have to write 1, 1. Rest 1 is 0, like that. Up to 7. So you apply this input here. If you apply this input, what you will get? You check it. 0, 0, 0. If you apply it, for 0 and 0, NOR gate is 1. 0 plus 0, 0. Complement means 1 you will get here. The first one. 0, NOT gate is 1. 0 and 1 for NOR gate is 0 plus 1, 1. NOT gate means, NOR means 0. The first one. 1, 0 for NAND gate is AND gate 1 into 0, 0. Bar means 1. So the output is 1. The first one. In a similar manner, I had taken the second case also, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. 0, 0 means 0 plus 0, 0. Complement 1. 1 complement 0. 0, 0. 0 plus 0. So here you have NOR gate. 0 plus 0, 0. Complement 1. This one you will get here. 1, 1. NAND gate you have here. So it will become 1 into 1, 1. Complement 0. The output is 0. Like that you have to keep on applying all the inputs for this input of the circuit diagram. You will get this truth table. Okay. Here NAND and NOR are called universal gates. Keep it in your mind. This is a general question because you can realize this NAND and NOR gate using an basic gates such as AND, OR and NOT. That's why we call NAND and NOR as universal gates. So now you can realize a NOT gate. You can realize a NOT gate using a NAND gate. Okay. So here input is single input X, 2 input and AND gate. Same XX will be fed here. X into X the whole bar, nothing but single X into X bar means this behaves like a NOT gate. X bar NOT. You can realize AND gate using NAND gate. This is NAND gate. A dot B NOT means whole bar. So the same thing will be appeared here. This is single NOT gate, right? Single NOT gate from the previous one. Therefore another one bar will be appeared here. So 2 bar will get cancelled. A dot B, nothing but AND gate. If you come to OR gate, This is single NOT gate similar to this. A bar, this is NOT gate, B bar, and A bar dot B bar whole bar. A dot B bar means A, apply De Morgan's theorem, A double bar plus B double bar, you will get A plus B, that is OR gate. In the similar way, realize NOR gate using NAND gate. This is one NOT gate A bar, this is other NOT gate B bar. So A bar dot B bar whole bar. This is NOT gate, another one bar will be appeared here. So both the bars will get cancel each other. We left out with A bar dot B bar, nothing but A plus B whole bar, that is NOR gate. The similar way you have to realize the XOR gate also. Okay, that is an assignment for you. You realize the XOR gate. As I earlier told you, the NOR gate is also called universal gate. You can realize the basic gates using NOR gate. Okay, first I will start with NOT gate. This is your NOT gate. So A plus B whole bar, that is X plus X bar. X plus X means X bar, that is NOT gate. AND gate means A bar, similar to NOT gate. This is B bar, A bar plus B bar, A bar plus B bar whole bar. So you will get A plus B whole bar is equal to AB double bar. Therefore AB, AND gate. Apply De Morgan's theorem. If you want OR gate, this is your OR gate. A plus B bar, single NOT gate, another bar will get answer A plus B, nothing but your OR gate. NAND gate means complement A bar, B complement B bar, A bar plus B bar the whole bar, because this is NOR gate, complement NOT gate, this will get cancel A bar plus B bar, nothing but A dot B the bar. This is NAND gate. Okay, so in the similar way you have to realize the XOR gate also. It's an assignment for you. You realize it using NOR gate. So next we'll move on to the simplification of Boolean expressions. Okay, here they had given the expression A into A plus B. You multiply A inside the bracket, A plus AB. So A into A means it will become A only from the Boolean theorems. A plus AB, A you take down common factor, you left out with 1 plus B. 1 plus B means 1. Your final answer is A. In the similar manner, y is equal to A into A bar plus B. You multiply A to inside the bracket, A into A bar plus AB. A into A bar means 0 plus AB. The answer is AB. Y is equal to AB bar plus AB. Here A you take down as a common factor. Then you left out with B plus B bar. B plus B bar means 1. The answer is A. So if you come to here, you take down A as a common factor, B plus C. Here D as a common factor, B plus C. B plus C into A plus D. This is the final solution. If you come to this problem, you multiply B to these two terms and CA into these two terms. So B to these two terms means BC plus BA bar B plus CCA plus CAA bar B. BB means B, CC means C, A bar is 0. Therefore, your final solution is BC plus A bar B plus AC. If you take this expression y is equal to A bar B bar C bar D bar, in the all four components B bar C bar is common factor. You take down B bar C bar as a common factor, so you left out with A bar D bar. A bar D, A D bar plus AD. So in these two components, A bar is a common factor, D plus D bar. Here A is a common factor, D plus D bar. D plus D bar means 1, D plus D bar means 1, A plus A bar. A plus A bar means 1. Your final answer is Y is equal to B bar, C bar. So in the similar way for this problem, you multiply A to these two and B to these two. Then what you will get? A bar and AC, A bar B plus BC, B bar plus C bar. Then again you multiply with these three components, you will get this one. You cancel it, then you left out with this one. In the similar way, you have to solve these three problems. Apply Boolean theorems and get the final expression. Okay, I hope you understood. So in the next class onwards, I will start half adder, full adders, okay, and multiplexer and demultiplexer followed by encoders. If you have any doubt, you can call me back. Thank you.